is it the right time to join a course, or whether you should join a coaching or not? Uh, I will leave it to Puru to answer that. How important is coaching? How important is to join a class? Yeah, Puru.
Sir, coaching to take coaching or not to take depends upon where the person stands. If one is very far away from what the UPSC essay paper demands, then it's not bad to take help. In fact, It's very intelligent to take help if required. And coaching also helps in certain sense because as students we generally do not have experience of reading and writing. We are the Gen Z age, so we have not read very much, lot of material. So when we take help, we get the methods, frameworks that have been distilled down through years of experience. And once we are uh, writing on that lines, we can gain easily in comparison to not having the help. So for me, coaching mattered, but this is not something that is applicable to everyone. So find where you are and then decide.
And Puru, from your last answer and this answer, I'm just triangulating things. I think what you're also saying is the right teacher or the right mentor matters more than I should join a class. You should join the right class. That's what you're saying, and join a class where your mentor or whoever you are taking training from. It might be an institute, it might be senior or whoever, right? That person has time. That person has time to invest in you and actually read through your answers. And lot of Shabbir, lot of students ask, sometimes comment that in Telegram we do this free evaluation, free checking, and I can tell students this is the reason I do it, because I know I cannot do everything, so I limit it to 8 or 10, but I make sure I read through your answers and actually give you personalized advice, because otherwise there are two things happening there. So one thing is what Puru said is you have to write. Okay, when you write, your mind starts crystallizing that thought, what you have read. So one of my mentors used to say, if you read 100 pages, you'll be able to write one page. And I, as a writer, can vouch for that if you have read 100 pages, you may able to just write one page. And that means that you cannot study model answers and walk into the essay paper. You have to write, and this is why we in our Telegram channel we focus on building your arguments and actually writing them down. And we could even feed it to some GPT and give you your answers, but no, that's fine, that you can do anyway. So I think our objective is we personalized providing you feedback. So if those of you are answering at least 8-10 हो, but you get the right feedback.